Hey guys, I welcome you to my Republic room, and in this video we are going to talk about what is political science and how or why it's already a part of your life. Part of our life sounds strange. Well, I'm gonna clear that up. So you have seen कि अचानक आपके एरिया में लाइट चली गई and you'll be like, why this is happening now? And you are stood up in a line. You are trying to make ration card, you are trying to do something that you find it out that why system is so slow. You felt that way. Or sometime you have seen news about any bill pass and thought, why should I care? There are lots of bills that we don't have a clear clarity that what is it about, and you thought of why should I care, because you don't have a clarity. Well, surprise, in this video you got into what is political science, and let me simplify you in a very easier manner. you know uh, Political science, it's not about politicians. Lots of people say that it's about politicians or election. Well, let me break down the myth for you. It's not. It's a study about how power works and how and who, basically, who gets the power, what, when, and how. This is 5W, okay, and 1H. Again, this is also work in political science. So it's like a behind the scene of how society is organized, from government to protest, and from constitution to climate change policy. It's all about political science. So why is that matter? Hana? Why does that matter? So let me tell you with a quick story. So imagine this morning you got up. So what I was saying, so imagine कि this morning you got up and you open your tap water, or anything. You take the bottle of your from your fridge, and oh, that didn't was a political science. So I was coming into that. You take the bottle right from your fridge, but where is the water coming from? Is it coming from municipality, or the fund allotted to that, or the policy made by MLA or MP? It's all political decisions that made for you to make your life easy. The road outside your home, your safety as a woman walking at night. Well, that is a myth in India. Well, or job quota, and the freedom to say what you want on social media. It's all governed by politics. So whether you are a student or a shopkeeper or a startup founder, politics affect your daily life. You may ignore politics. Why ignore? I don't like politics. Just ignore. Enjoying your life with headphones. Why should you care? But you may ignore politics, but politics never ignore you. It's always there. It's always there, and it's always in your life. Okay. So if you are not studying political science, it's totally fine. But if you studied political science, or you understand what is political science, you can see the system. You can see the system, how it works. What ask if you know that first of all, if you know that first of all, you can see the system with clearly seeing system. Number two, you can ask a better question. Most people I have talked about, I've done master in my education based. My major was in political science. I never seen even a graduate political science student asking a real time question. Why the forest near is home cutting down, why the student loan are rising, why the infrastructure is so bad in India. It's help you to understand your right. Lots of people don't understand their right, and it's fine. There is a saying कि अगर पेट में अगर भूख लगी हो तो इंसान पहले रोटी के बारे में सोचता है ना, एक्टिविस्ट नहीं बनता है. So that is something I totally go with this, because that's so true. But people like you, me, youth who is so involved in social media and everything in their life, I want you to understand why it's political science so matters to you, to understand seeing system, to understand why it's corrupt, ask better question, understand your rights, to defend them. मान लो कि someone did okay, government made a rule that going to affect your rights in a long term, but that is wrong. So you are already know that you are able to defend them. You can defend on social media, you can write content, you can make videos, you can do whatever you want. That is your right to do it. You became a active citizen, which is a myth in India. Everyone seems to care about themselves, which is fine. It's not a bad thing, honestly, but active citizen needs to be there to understand what is harming you, because you make the society. Okay, not just as a voter, think as a voice. And you learn, with political science, it's not you like or not, it's not about that. It's all about you learn critical thinking. Critical thinking is the most important part in a 21st century. Because of the AI and everything, we are losing this. You are able to connect the dot. Okay, this bill made, you connected this, this will introduce, this is going to be that feature, how it's going to affect you. You are connecting dot each by each. You can argue constructively in your group, in your normal, you have your own opinion. People are lacking opinion, I can damn sure on that. They have opinion which is no fact, nothing. Okay, so whether you are writing, debating, or just being informed, that is something you can do that. Okay, that is political science, and that is only from my side. Okay, so I just wanted you to understand what is political science, why it's matter. So if you like this, I really appreciate that you like that. And in a nutshell, I just want to tell you whatever I've said, I can conclude you in 3 words, in 3 pointers, that political science is not just a big word, it's or long speech that I have give you to give you basically brief about that. It's not a subject. You have to understand political science is more than just a subject. It's how you think. It's a manual to the society. It's a power and people. It's a justice with access. How you can access your, I'm sound like I'm talking about X. Okay, let's not talk about that. Okay, other is like voices and systems. This is what political science look like in a three pointers, if you have to understand. Believe or not, political science is already in your life. Tomorrow, just observe one thing around you. Is there any law introduced, any protest, price hike, news headline? And just ask yourself, who made this decision and why? Trust me, this only question can open a door that give you a new way of thinking. You are living in a democracy. You need to learn all these things. Okay, so that's it from now. Thank you so much for watching it.